What is up, guys? We're back. It's another day. I got the headliner laid down yesterday. You'll see that the quality of my other video was really terrible. I'm still trying to figure out settings on this camera. I know how to take pictures. Videos is different, so I got a little bit of an idea, but not much. Trying to figure out the autofocus, all that, whatever. So I'll show you this. Let me flip this around. So this is where we're at. This is what we got done yesterday. Everything's laid down. Now I have to. Now it is time to trim everything up and then start poking holes. I don't know if we're gonna get to the fiber optics tonight or not, or what we're gonna end up doing. God, this camera's weird to hold. I'm also gonna give you a better walk around of the Fords. That way you guys actually know what's kind of going on with it right now. Because the other video was terrible. You couldn't really see what's going on, what I got, yeah. So truck's ripped apart. I'm gonna end up doing a full walk around of this with some cool pictures and stuff like that, and that way you guys you'll know what's done to it and everything like that. But for those of you that don't, if you follow me on Instagram or whatever, some of you guys might, you'll know what this truck is. So this is my 2019 Platinum on King coilovers, Flight Fab 4-link, HSP track bars, 22x14 hostels. Those are going to end up changing. Recon badges, Cervini hood. I got the mirrors off. Interior is torn down and torn apart. I got some custom wrap stuff that is eventually going to get painted. Just for now, it's okay. Paint's not terrible, but it could be better. You can see some scratches and swirls and stuff like that. So we're going to get that taken care of. We're going to get the mirrors painted. And Trigger Industries custom rear mud guards, mud flaps, in trans glitter gold lettering, which is the powder coat color of pretty much everything. Excuse the mess. Shop's destroyed. I've been thrashing. I got a couple other projects going on. Jenny hitch. All my stuff that is in the process, blah, 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 whatever. You know, we're getting there. This side I've already one step corrected, kind of. We'll get there. It's still got to be polished and everything. You can see a little bit of haze in the paint still, but we'll take that out. We're also going to be pulling out the rock lights, changing the position of those. Focus, okay. Trying to think if I'm missing anything here. FCK light bars. We're going to be installing their new, their rock lights. I already have the FCK wheel rings. Got some other things that I can't really talk about, which if you ask me about them down at Daytona, I might be able to tell you guys about, because I might be with the crew and all that, and we'll see what's going on. We'll see who we're seeing down there. Road Armor, Identity Series front bumper with I got Baja Squadron Pros as my fog lights. Those are just Amazon cheapos for now. I'm gonna end up probably switching to FCK. I don't know, we'll see. Royal hooks, show hooks. Maybe able to see my wheel ring if I can get my brightness to work. Focus. There, okay. So you can see I got the wheel rings. Morimoto headlights and light up Pruco emblem. you'll get to see the truck down at Daytona and other videos. Like I said, I'll do a full walk around on it, but we are currently doing suede headliner, FCK light bars, fiber optic kit, starlight headliner kit. Yeah, man, we're kind of in crunch mode, you know, normal day-to-day business, and then this on top of it, and leaving, and other truck issues, and yeah, so we got some stuff to do. So I'll set you guys up, and I'll catch you back once I do that. All right, I got you guys up on the tripod, so now we're hands-free. So, like I said, I got the suede laid last night. This is actually, I haven't checked anything else on it yet, so I'm gonna see what pulls up, what's not tacked down, where I need to spray, get all of this sprayed, tacked on, done, make sure everything's good, and then we'll get it trimmed up and flip it over, reinstall a couple pieces we need to, so that way I know where everything's going, I know what's going on, where I need to poke holes, stuff like that. I'm still currently waiting on some things to get delivered. And like I said, we got like 10 days. Why are you not focusing, camera? Hello? Okay. So we're doing it, you know. So I'm gonna hook up to my music and get to work and throw you guys on a time lapse. I know these videos haven't been very instructional to start, but I'm at a point right now where I'm kind of in a rush. I want to make sure everything gets done before I leave. But I got some plans for YouTube videos and stuff like that. I'm just gonna kind of wing it. And if you guys enjoy the content, cool. Let me know. I appreciate the feedback. If any of you guys got tips, pointers, anything, you know, I'm still learning this. Well, I'm gonna try and take my camera and get some cool stuff, cool pictures, obviously, hanging out with everybody down at Daytona and different rigs and stuff like that. And we'll see where that goes, but that'll be a whole different thing. And then you guys will probably meet my little brother later. So if you see another person in the video, that's my little brother. I'll go ahead and introduce him to y'all, and we'll kind of roll and rock from there, all right? Let's get to it. Okay, we'll use that. Okay. Well, headliner's trimmed up, flipped over, started cutting the holes out for lights, put my rear lights back in. Now we gotta get ready to start cutting holes for the starlight kit. That's gonna suck. I gotta trim out that piece real quick, get the center console thing back together, and we'll keep on rolling from there. I'll check back up with another update here in a minute, once I kind of figure out where I'm going to go and what I'm going to do. All right, well, got everything trimmed up, whatever. I'll figure it out in editing where you'll see what I was doing. So these are the, let me pull you guys off this. All right. So, these are the fiber optic strands, right? Cool. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna figure out, I got them laid out on the headliner right now, so that way I can figure out the length I need, because I'm gonna end up mounting my motors for the lights behind my seat. I'm gonna run this through the C-pillar, this cable. I'm gonna run this through the C-pillar and up, and it'll run like this, but it'll be on the backside. You guys will see once it's done, or when we're doing that. So now is the fun part. I am gonna start poking holes, and I will catch up with you guys after that, because that is gonna be a boring, tedious process. So I will catch you guys later. All right, we are back. It is now day 3 of doing the headliner. All the suede's on, trimmed up, cut, everything's good. We're starting to get there. And then started poking holes last night. Not that bad until we realized the next morning. Yeah, I'll show you what we've been doing. So here's where we're at. We took all of the fiber optics that I had already poked all of the holes for. Yeah, we took them all out and decided I'm gonna do it more so like a wiring harness, and decided to split them to make my life way fucking easier. So I will give you guys an update when we get all of these re-poked through the holes again, and hopefully finish this up. Deuces. Finally, now to tuck everything up and away, make it look pretty, and yeah. 1 in the fucking morning. I'm not even close to being done. Sweet. Well, let's get it.